Me room, she get invitation. Skin to skin, we rub like the lotion. Baby, no better start the commotion. Make her hand move, she wet like the ocean. Hey, me I say no man, you know, say Atal is the baddest. I mean, I represent the SWAT team. You don't know Pretty Girl Storm. You don't know Dr. Love. Fret them. Bust them head, no man. Kick with them foot, no dash them, no. No paper, no paper. Hey, watch it, no man.
I play butter upon blood clot catch me teeth the one day. And now when you pussy out your dash, yes, so that's like a dandy shandy. Only blood clot dildo catch it. The stinking dildo where you're pushing on your pussy. Your dildo where you now wash because you don't have no way for beard. So your dildo and your pussy just get wipe up. Suck your mama. Tony all me blood clot dog a beard. Some have a shower once a blood clot week, Tony. Because you know, say a dog, you can't beat him often in the winter. And the standing shower in the guest blood clot room, and that's for some who are bathing now. Some have your own standing blood clot shower. When me go over, make a blood clot show you, when me set up that blood clot for some. You hear drunk crop? So don't call me blood clot name. A long time you pussy out your ruffle. A long time you pussy out your shot blood clot man with you. A long time you pussy out your like a one blood clot pop gun. And when it blood clot open and pop, it pop blood clot jailbird a death sentence. Suck your mama. You call me name for drunk crop. Me and you ever suck pussy together? Me and you ever together? Me and you ever so tell me no teeth in goods, move your dibby blood clots. We don't cut from the same clot. You are a fuckist and you stand up in a lamb, blum bam peng a ling peng in your blood clots. So don't call me name. You're there at the gravesite to fight. That's why you cry so you know, because you didn't even make the man rest in peace. You're gone at the gravesite, gonna go fight. Don't say you know, say you were the third or fourth baby mother down the line. Knowing that you were just a little dirty box run blood clot girl down the line. And you're gonna funeral, gonna go fight. Exactly. Let's talk true. Come on. Do you understand, Dr. Chin? So that's why I heard so bad. Because the day when the man passed on wasn't all passed on, he had a different address then. The man never go with mother.
Yes, rampant.
So you see that dirty girl? So for the rest of the life you have a blood clot cry. Guilt trip. You're not crying because the man gone. You're crying by your mama. In your man you say, if I didn't know, wah. If I did blood clot, no. So go with if I didn't know with your dirty blood clot self. You're losing a blood clot life. And
I know, right,
Johnny? Blood clot spend. No man not spend no money upon you. A long time your man must cut out ya. A long time you have to jump figure your bed. You have to crack up figure your bed. Alright? Man not fi buy you nothing for fuck you, just a $10 crack bag. Man not fi give you nothing for fuck you, just a $10 dime bag. Do you understand? You understand? Man not fi give you nothing, just call your name chin, and you get a look of views and hype, and you pass on one fuck. You look of still fuck them what you get. I be a hide and seek fuck you get, nobody now own you. At 2021, go buy a pussy like how you buy a body. Go buy a blood clot man like how Puss buy one blood clot jailbird. Alright? And go buy some blood clot condition. Your character dirty. And on top of it you can't boil even water. The other day you cook stew peas and I be a blood clot pimento seed. Me want lick it with the blood clot pimento seed them drunk. You can't cook, stop follow. Remember say you on blood clot Tanya bleacher. And what do they say about bleacher? Bleacher don't bathe. Bleacher maybe only bathe once a blood clot week. Because someone no broke and paparazzi no can rub off the cream every minute. So once you bathe one time on rub on the cream, for the rest of the week you no can bathe out. Because you no bleacher suck on no mama. Go bleach out to no pussy. Say if you can get a little bit of red in the head for the man them to stay. So we know about bleachers. So how now go on like me no know. So the next time when I play bleach out a monkey song, play the song for Uno. Because the song say the girl them will bleach out ooh ooh ah ah ah. And that a blood clot chin and dirty stinking tanny. How that sound? So see that's why I'm not argue with it too much. Because I come and use facts and beat out in the blood clot. You understand? Tanny, that's why nobody know if blood clot by no bleaching cream for you. Because if you can mix blood clot, bleach and ammonia, that means that them the bleaching cream you burn up blood clot people. So if I were you guys, hashtag, no buy no bleaching cream from Tanny. Tanny no chemist. Because if Tanny was a blood clot chemist, Tanny wanna mix bleach and ammonia, so she go dash it and fret them and almost kill off her dirty blood clots. You understand? For real, Paul Stone Crusher, the pussy them need to pay me for investigate my life. And the pussy them need to pay me. For me to cost me blood clot self. And the pussy them need for blood clot pay me. For me to rub me dirty blood clot. Them no know. So I'll be mad blood clot too. Me that hate love Saunders too, no blood clots. Now me address some of you bumbo clot people. Me now cost blood clot oko. Me now cost blood clot oko. I'm going to tell you why me now cost oko. That's why nobody know if you buy no bleaching cream for her. Because the girl a mix and now read and she can't spell. And if you can't spell, you won't know the meaning of some of those chemicals where you mix. Girl don't no blood clot. If the girl can spell feces, a 5-letter word, and she clean feces every day, and she go to school for clean feces, what make you think she can mix blood clot bleaching cream? If you can mix ammonia and blood clot bleach, what make you know so the girl they can read? The girl don't no blood clot, she need a bulla. Don't no blood clots. So no buy no bleaching cream for her, bleaching cream for her. Hashtag no bleaching cream from Tanny. Move your blood clots. Cause you can't mix nothing. Cause everybody knows you can't mix bleach. You can't even mix bleach with blood clot ear drops, much less. Let me talk about Oko now. Let's talk about Oko. Make we calm down first before we come to the dragon. Cause now we don't get to the blood clot dragon. Right now we are rub blood clot chin. So until now we don't get to the dragon yet. Remember so we already rub Britney this morning with facts. And rub dirty cake with facts this morning. With all of the maths them when we add up. With all of the married blood clot things when we drop out. Without all of the care them. So we already passed that blood clot stage about married. Them can't come to me with no argument again about married, because if you not tell blood clot income tax and IRS say you're married, you know blood clot married, you boy, you go away. You not live no marriage life, boy, ya. You feel me? So the only blood clot person I live good, boy, ya, and I live to the true at the T as a Canadian dream, and me blood clot will come and talk. Now, let's talk about Oko. Me now rub Oko. And you know why me now rub Oko? Because look it. As us Canadian will say, look it. As us black people will say, look at it from the bird's point of view. Remember say no. Them now cause Oko, you know. Because Oko go on Island Candy page, you know. Them a cause Oko because Oko come on my page.
Area?
Remember? Last week, or I think a week before, Oko said, Love Saunders, me now stop come on your page. You didn't remember? Remember, so right now you don't see Oko on the page. Why you don't see Oko on the page? Because them a bantan Oko. And watch this. before me cuss Uku. Me know say the dragon and her friend them have cuss Uku before me cuss Uku. And why me say that? Because me know say Uku was part of them. And me know say if Uku no rub me, she will get blood clot rub. So me know say if
they
Uku
all
no
know
rub
about the
me,
page.
me not answer Uku. Me just gonna make Uku rub me and leave me. Cause me know say Uku have to rub me. If not, they will rub blood clot Uku. So Uku, pan a low blood clot key, me not rub you. Oh.
I know. Island ooh for real.
Exactly, Pastor.
No,
exactly. So that's why me now.
Me know one of them I watch.
Alright? And that's why me understand Uku. If me not see Uku on the channel, yeah, me have no hard feeling. Because me know say, if she continue to come on the channel, them a go rub her. Me know that. But listen to this now. Watch what me want to get out of this is this. Watch this. We know say, well, that a for them business. That a for them business, Farah. Until they no call me name, me I tell them say them blood clot girl there. Hey, them girl there. Cause them hey.
I guess not Janet. But upon holidays.
Una shout out on independent. Una shout out on nice. Nice. Una shout out on better than me. Una shout out yep. But when the dragon telling us to come off of my inbox, come off of my channel, una have to come off of my channel. So what kind of big woman that on a blood clot is? That Puss not pay her own blood clot phone bill. Puss get money from Uku. Puss get money from blood clot Tanya and the past card. Tanya they come and talk and me go replay that blood clot for me done. And everybody else when they run Puss send blood clot Puss money for top up her phone. She come and talk out her own mouth. So if Puss cannot pay her own phone bill, how Puss will tell her what to go with her phone? How Puss will tell her what to go with her phone? So that's why I keep on saying, no for uno blood clot and no self-esteem, boy, yeah. No for uno.
She sounds so passionate when she said dragon.
I wanna hide for come on a page and a blood clot come back, boy, yeah. That me want for blood clot telling her. And they want to see me blood clot food, don't press no like on it and say nothing, go no blood clot way, same way. Because one thing I fucking hate is a hypocrite. Do you understand? So no blood clot there, no girl can program me, no bumper clot there. Them can't program me. And if me go back in on my phone, way back when in a sometime when Keiko did come in on my phone, one question she asked me, were you on Brassy Live? And from there, so them a blood clot pre me. And when me tell her no, because I wasn't on Brassy Live, because anybody knows if me go on Brassy Live, you don't know me coming on my page. So a long time the pussy them a pre me, long blood clot time. But they never know when to push up them neck. They never know when to call me and say nothing about me. Because they know I'm not afraid of them. So dirty blood clot stinking old puss. When you call me Sunday, call me Sunday good and walk, good dirty woman. Because in a million years, even when you go back in your woman come out and start breed over, you will never have a sons like mine because you're all hook blood clot peck. Your DNA never good from morning. Because none of your pitney them not turn out good. And look how your blood clot family them scatter no blood clot. Your son in a Germany, one did in a jail from blood clot about 14. You there Jamaica and your daughter them there England. Your family chaka like your blood clot denture them. So all you want to talk about good blood clot me when my kids are in my house. All you want to talk about good blood clot me when revenue cannot know about my 5 kids. And all you want to talk about good blood clot me will have benefits for me blood clot picnic them. All you want to talk about good blood clot me. You understand? So just remember, say me come and me come blood clot correct at all times. But me never come malicious. And for the next team over there, sir, I don't take insult for invitation. So you see, if you don't want to cheer me on from afar, exactly, blood clot Park Stone Crusher. She fi put some bumper clot respect for me pitney them name. While live good and I eat good and I sleep good and I drive blood clot good. Put some respect for me pitney them name dirty blood clot Puss. You're fucking bright. Me not stop until me blood clots on them make it in a life. Me not stop work hard and push them until them reach in a life. Me not stop bomber clot police them until them reach in a life. And when them reach and have them family, me still I go remind them every week, son, make sure you stay out of trouble. Son, make sure you look after your children. Son,
when they wait for she finish time, but she get distracted. More cheer on from afar.
None of them not married. All of them following in your footsteps, they have to pit them out of wedlock, dirty blood clot Puss. Me not even know who named Tracy Fabulous. Me if you go do my blood clot match upon Tracy Fabulous, to be honest.
Here
so
we
until
go.
me do my fault, me can't even talk about
how much people she investigate one time? No, sir.
Everybody wants a piece of Love Saunders. Love Saunders named upon the blood clot globe.
Farah
so right now, blood clot trending. So me always can use all of this negative and turn it into a positive. Alright?
Trust me, this is how we
so
TV.
Dirty blood clot Puss. A long time you feel in a life. A long time you come to jump you go down in the blood clot carnival.
No, sir.
A long time man gone left you. You stand up in a life by yourself. And a long time from decades you out here sing single mother. So when you and your dirty friend them talk about me picking them name, go make sure you put your picking them name underneath one blood
Here
clot
you brush.
Because no found no blood
tired.
clot. No say
And
no
it's
no
just
married
12
to the man.
o'clock.
No say the man are going a hard time and want to do. Wanna put all the picking in the man name and never add phone name to it. Wanna never hyphen the picking them blood clot last name. So when the man ready for style you can't get no passport, the picnic can't register, the picnic can't leave the country because you're a dumb blood clot dummy. So Puss a long time you're out here by yourself like a wildebeest. Long blood clot time. A long time you're out here suck and nothing for sure. A long time you're out here fuck, a long time you're focused and you don't have nothing for blood clot sure. And the piece of blood clot land where you're sure. The capture land belong to blood clot Diane and her man where you deport. So them always say nothing comes for free in life. Anything come free for life, there's a price. So that's why you hear Jamaica sell blood clot cigarette. And then somebody come in my inbox and say, Love Saunders, why you gonna go give the woman table? The woman have barrel blood clot top for bar. So excuse me, drunk up barrel top bar. So excuse me now, bitch.
Somebody don't think she have a shop.
Clot, England, gonna go sell on top of your blood clot barrel.
I don't think she have no shop
From
for
what we
real.
see in here,
Because she never in that the shop there. We never hear go by shop or nothing. I lie. Lie.
For real, sis.
Puss, we want to see your shop. You're there Jamaica 1 year and we never see shop.
And my oldest son a blood clot 20. When me call him, yes, mom. You know hear how my son talk to me? You know hear when me ask them what them a do? Them a tell me what them a go from what them not do. Puss try to ask your blood class son that and say how fast him stallion say mind your business. Some of you not call me blood clot, them try to ask you to pick them where them a go and see how them style on a dirty blood clot. So my children them is always
a true Chris, because we never see a shop yet.
They come from a structured blood clot home. So instead of no hold me up, instead of no pick me up, instead of no if you fucking hold me up, you know, say this a blood clot pandemic, me out here risk me blood clot life out here work. Instead of no congratulate me, you know, say I'm fucking 38 and have 5 blood clot pick me.
Pink wall put up
blood clot life on a drug me down me blood clots.
Oh, them, I will reach over pink wall.
Wanna think it easy for raise 5 blood
the
clot
tiny one? I must tiny them put over pink wall.
To raise 2 blood clot teenagers to kick them out of the system? And keep party for yoga with the blood clot cake on the barrel. Me not even remember that one day. So right now you not even have a blood clot piss for a pot for pissing now a blood clot table. You wait for your stuff them when you ship from England to come to Jamaica. So when you talk about oh my table broke, one of the people them broke, no, your table broke because you were trying to ship it. And he broke. Let's talk true. So Puss, go wash your dirty pussy. Go wash your dirty blood clot, mucky, muddy pussy. Groundhog, go wash. Every day you get up on me blood clot and like a toothbrush.
Murder.
They can't imagine when a night time how your blood clot sleep and blood clot brain like a bumble clot cow. Me can't imagine how your blood clots snore. You know, see before day, by the time, but before sun get up, you already get up and out of the blood clot bed. Because only nighttime blood clot yoga can sleep beside you when in blood clot drunk. And as by the time you get up and turn around and realize that you're a big blood clot or black whale. The man get up before blood clot day and go about in business. The man can't stand for blood clot lie down with you before until sun come out. The man can't stand for lie down with you. Because anybody blood not lie down with you, them blood clot, them stomach up strong like the man who work in a sewer. Look how your blood clots stay bad. You can't even have a good conversation without your mouth start blood clot frat up. Are you out here hyper come talk about your the man
oh God, US and Canada celebrities.
And you cuss out the people that
you can't mix up, you know.
What did I tell you?
Me can't wait to see that.
All dragon. Go try to be close to your blood clot family them. And come out of family blood clot affairs. The man not married to you. The man is already married. Why you not going to help the man with him blood clot divorce drunk, before you come talk about blood clot string-a-ling-a-ling, bring-a-ling-a-ling, bing, bing, bing. Before you come talk about your blood clot popcorn ring drunk.
But I know. US and Canada celebrities.
Some bumble clot picnic can't
No,
call him.
sir.
The man picnic can't call him in a blood clot piece. So let go the man blood clot shirt. Make the man talk to him picnic.
We have to go repost that one there on my picture,
Why
on
you
my
not come out and
page.
talk about hey. Let's talk about something dirty, Puss. Puss. Remember you come out and you say, let's replay that one. Hold on, let me find it. give a about it, me want to just blood clot. Dragon take down our own blood clot self. So make we play it blood clot. Dragon, make we play the one for you know. Dragon, me hear you say. Dragon, me hear you say in this a clip here. Say, for that clip here? Yes, man.
Oh, them not show no picture of a pink ball, Janet.
Alright, me go pause it. Why cause it's so fucking low? And I'm downstairs and you can hear the furnace is going. So it's kind of low. But you guys were watching the live on here. She said, that she never see the girl them what Doogie pick up. She only went over the girl them and she peep out her bubble dove eye them. And she went over the girl where lookable and wet up the girl them. So you see, a long time she over there fight over man when I want her. And look how much girl she went up for Doogie. And Doogie never give her one house for sister for her own. Doogie never buy the little dirty woman, one of them little blood clot, the government house where England have. Remember, you know, in England, you know, you can buy the council housing them, you know, 30% off in the people. And Doogie never buy Puss no blood clot house. And look how much woman Puss fight Doogie over. So me can be a man blood clash long peng. And I fight over man.
Oh,
okay. And man give me
I know, they should have.
Our land or house.
Maybe Pink, you know, I like them. Well, I don't know. Maybe they didn't, because she always put up 10.
A long time you out here as a fuckis. Long blood clot. And you know, suppose, look how much blood clot man Doogie take. I mean, look how much blood clot.
Yeah, I love Saunders always in the dark.
With the blood clot man. Bareback. The only time you got Dr. Puss, and when you're going to the whole,
so
you had the other day when we get on the live, and me ask you, say, why not go so early? And you say, you and logo, I go fit check, move your dirty blood clot. So the only blood clot time you got doctor to go check out your dungeon hole, and when you're there in Jamaica in 2020, because you're going to trust your blood clot as far as ensure your blood clot. You're going to trust you as far as you kick up your blood clots. You don't see that dirty serpent? You don't see that? So when you're in a blood clot England, your man give you bun left and right without no blood clot cheese. Just so hard of blood clot bud. And you never got a doctor to go check out your blood clot.
Of that.
Dead underneath. And then when you got Jamaica, to go give it to prison bud. You check out your pussy? Me blood clots. No wonder when the man shoving pussy underneath your pussy fart out and wet up and drain out. No wonder.
That me I wonder too. Call it.
A long time you know see no gynecologist, dirty woman. A long time the gynecologist no go up underneath your pussy to go examine it. You know, see how you have blood clot dropsy. Every time you call me name, you fall asleep. You know, so your blood clot belly them big like say you're pregnant and you're not pregnant, dirty woman. You know, so your belly them pack up a blood clot fibroids, dirty woman. So only when you got blood clot Jamaica, you go do a checkup, nasty woman. Go away. Your pussy mucky like. Your pussy dark like blood clot midnight underneath it. And because you all no blood clot, no red, no left underneath it. That's why every time when you open up your leg, you don't hear your man all the time. Baby, close your leg. Janet, you can't close your leg. Puss, close your leg. Every time you open up your stinking pussy, the man says you close your leg. Me can't jump out a video right now in the week. The man tell you if you close your blood clot leg. That means your pussy no want see it. And only night time you want see it. So you see that? And nowadays people want them pussy to ear out. And every time you ear out your pussy, your man tell you if you close your legs. And look how old you are. So why you call me name for? Why you call your name, me name for drunk crap? So a long time you done out here. Long blood clot time you done. Long time you done out here. Alright? A long time you need to use a blood clot, a whole blood clot, a chuck a mall and pack up underneath your blood clot. Because every blood clot you teeth out of life come to a blood clot end. Everything you teeth out of life come to blood clot, sawdust and gravel. So I know you fi pack up your underneath with some blood clot. Hey, dirty woman. So I don't know why you continue to call me name. For me see you drunk, bro. Put some respect for me picking them name dog shit. That's why me come out and rub your dirty blood clot. I swear you sound like this woman will come in a stage bumbo clot. And then the time, well, am I an actor? Not at all. We just a spit facts. No blacks. You understand? And for some of you hypocrites, we are talking about those Sundays you love mix up. One and I jump from one page to the next. Eh? If me love mix up, then hey, me love mix up. Me love mix up on two blood clot fast then. One I run and mix up them fast. If one never fast, one want to see me in a blood clot mix up. Alright? So if me mix up, wanna mix up bumbo clot too. Wanna see what she do to me? Wanna see how she try to lock me up? So don't beg for her. Make she get what she look for. Cause remember in any week, the only person me say me gonna drop a lawsuit pan was Shireen. And Stormbossy take it up on her blood clot head. The only person I came out and I said that I know was Shireen, 2000 and blood clot 9. And the only person was showing up on IG said she know me, a blood clot Stormbossy. So that a blood clot Shireen. I remember said next last time, and me and blood clot Stormbossy me in our blood clot inbox, I bring down her big pussy tongue. And 2 days later, she called blood clot police for me. Say me call her and threaten her. So we never blood clot wrong with her facts yet. We just wait till her blood clot channel go up to 30, make me clap it blood clot down. Like how she dunk on the blood clot ground. Wagwan Sid. You feel me? So that me want for blood clot telling us. So don't leg on me blood clot now. No for uno. And dirty puss, stop ask for help for rub me. Rub me by yourself, dirty puss. Come on your blood clot puss, rubber dub, or Johnny Page and turn off your comment section and rub me blood clot by yourself. And see if you got blood clot win this one. Dirty woman. You can't even feed your blood clot self. And Uncle send you money make you buy oxtail the other blood clot there. Oh, Uncle send me money so me have to work. So me have to block the people them, me have to block the people them. And true Uncle no want it and the mix up, you know, to say Uncle not even say blood clot nothing. And true Uncle no want talk. Me wait for Uncle to come rub your blood clots. Because remember, see you bring down Uncle already. So it wouldn't be no different now if you bring down Uncle. Or you try to banter the girl what she want to go. You must be an idiot to listen to what this blood clot old dinosaur want to say. This old vintage blood clot groundhog. She can't pay her own blood clot phone. She can't pay her own data. So she can't tell you which part she fi could fi blood clot go. On a real blood clot mother and Judas bomber clot boy yeah. Remember saying in the past, you know, Brassy said to me, so love Saunders. For real, them need to blood clot pay me for rub myself, man, for true. Yo, Brassy say no. Love Saunders. Me know say you have a YouTube channel, you know. And me no want go on you know, mama. Because me no want them to know see me there on your YouTube channel. So a long time me know say you try to stop me blood clot puss. Until you build a YouTube channel and you feel no blood clot. And when you hear blood clot, the next sodomite chin Allen rub me. That's when you subscribe to our channel. Because you hear me over YouTube and call your blood clot name. But me rub out your blood clot on YouTube already. And Tanya send you the video. And you never do nothing about it blood clot. So suck your mama. A long time me rub you all dragon. Because when me find out so you have the people them depending with me face, me rub out your dirty blood clot. And that's when you and Bumble Clot Baby Lee become friends. And that's when Baby Lee continue to give you $200. So because of blood clot me, you get blood clot money and food in your big dragon blood clot. So a long time me I feed your blood clot out here. Long time. A long time me I feed your dirty blood clot out here. A long time me I buy your tin mackerel. So they always say, don't bite the hands that blood clot feed you. So why you bite the hand drunk, bro? And them said, don't feel sorry for Maga dog. Because they would turn around and bite your blood clots. So hood Brits. What sound like the old man left him blood clot balls down in your blood clot throat. Brush your blood clot tongue next time. Because me have the blood clot or bumper clot exhibit. Babe, do I have to suck you to keep you? Every blood clot man you in the house, the man I call you. The man don't live there. Suck your mother. And to the IRS, you're a single dirty blood clot Jezebel. Now get the child support for your baby daddy. So the next time you want to give me blood clot job, suck pussy blood clot Brit. Sell pussy Brit. Sell blood clot front Brit. Add up the blood clot mats them. You claim so you work in a school. Borrow the blood clot teacher calculator. And add up the blood clot mats them next time. Drunk crow. And then you would know so me make all kind of money more than your dirty friend them. Alright? You out there wish for a blood clot star. You out there wishing away from cow jump over the blood clot moon. For the 52-year-old to come give you a ring. And if you bring for the blood clot 52-year-old man brings him a dead left in blood clot picnic I'm 52. So you're still gonna be a blood clot, single blood clot Jezebel. So go find a young blood clot man. You hear? Who pay for it, bumper clot? Who pay for it? So they come call me blood clot name. Dirty girl who can wash her blood clot draws.
Oh, sorry, I'm making breakfast. I'm hungry.
When they say black and fever blood clot soya sauce. And replay the video and say, oh, I'm having a dinner for me man. Girl, you never see
the
setting
I make nice, sorry.
Setting at the same setting, dog shit. So now hype on don't know when for blood clot hype. I'm not drop out video and I remember so not drop out that blood clot already.
Sorry, may I make some pancakes and eggs and sausage and bacon.
About blood clot house breaking
I'm hungry. May I listen? Me just now watch.
Blood clot house, you not even have a good bathroom. I the one bathroom, me see you show. And just to show you how you sell pussy like a dog. You're supposed to deal with a man at 52 years old where you're supposed to have some respect for. And you're in a bathtub. I be naked. And I had you drop down blood clot breast them. So a long time you sell pussy. Them look a $5 and them look a $1 where you throw up on your bed. Them there when them put in your dirty blood clot G-string where you suck your mama. So when you come on Puss life, and I talk out of your mouth like you have hot shit in your blood clot mouth. Like the old man last one I'm balls down your blood clot short. Remember say your mother and father Jamaican, so come real dirty dog shit.
May I struggle for stroll
you only
up.
have blood clot pretend.
I'm going back to my
pancake.
pancake.
Like your mouth full of blood clot shit. Your belly big no bumper clot. Look on your belly.
Don't worry, she never show no exhibit.
Look on the gun case where
now
your blood
listen.
clot. When you come talk about the belly, them with your blood clot, dash your name. But baby, I don't have to suck you to hold you. You should have shame for no say you suck the blood clot 52-year-old cocky. Remember young girl no bend down pan old man. Remember say old man bend down pan young girl, cause them a look young girl soldering. So anybody supposed to do the bending would be the blood clot dirty old man. Because you are the young girl and you are going to keep him fit. And only you are do the blood clot sucking. Suck your mama. Remember, so the old man pick you up about a blood clot club. And promise you, I'm going to rent the place, give you dirty blood clot. Because remember, say you and your mama never get along. And I shelter you, then I go, you dirty blood clot. And the old man say, come make me rent you this. So oh, you talk like say you know me from somewhere, sell pussy girl. You understand? So a long time you have blood clot, but a long time you have village, a long time you have village bicycle boy, yeah. A long time everybody have you on the blood clot, back up the block, down the block. No matter how them see your blood clot, tired them puncher. So right now you're tired as a let out here. Ooh, suck your mama. You goggle balls and look how young you are. And the balls them we are goggle 52 years worth of blood clot balls. So right now you don't have the blood clot end. Every generation suck off that before it reach to your dirty blood clot. So you're saying nothing in a blood clot life. Hashtag nothing. You're young and blood clot done. Suck your mama. Cough up the old man 1.5 blood clot. Sid. Cough up the old man 1.5 bars like a girl. Cough up his blood clot. You understand? But, babe, I don't have to suck you to hold you. Every man in your blood clot phone ring. The man promise you a whole lot. But let me tell you something, little girl. Acid blood clot call you. Exactly. Even in the outside toilet, she back it up, no more blocks. Even in the toilet, the drunk will back it up. Alright? You hear me telling you? All man promise our blood clot the future. And all man never put no ring on it. You understand? And remember, so when an old man respect you, and an old man check for you, first thing I'm going to tell you, go to school. I'm going to put you in school. Make the girl go sit down and scratch her pussy on a blood clot pencil. Because she needs to stay in a blood clot school. The old blood clot yamzella. Yam blood clot whiz. You still dip on the vine. You still have more for blood clot grow for be a yam blood clot bella like puss. Calm the fuck down. You understand? So let me teach you about blood clot life. No young girl now pick up no old man and suck the old man cocky. Old man have to work for that blood clot young girl soldering. Old man have to work for that young girl blood clot juice. all man have to run and look for the all man this and that. So only you out here suck your all man cocky. Only you. I wanna believe in a sucking. Cause my husband can't bring a blood clot sucking to me. Wanna hear me? Exactly.
So cocky and no crime, love Saunders. Cocky for suck.
Then the grandfather did help her, did they rub too? And where the blood clot are going. So the man did in the background help rub too? Come now, don't tell me. The man did in the background help her rub? Jesus, Papa Jesus. No man, come give me story. Let me hear one to say. Then you know hear the grandson live a help. The little girl rubbing in the background with his all enough self, me pussy clot. Then all man, let me ask you this question since you rub. All man, me sure say you have a picnic all that blood clot brick. All man, me sure say for your bank account brick don't have her name there. All man, brick two look up picnic wanna belong to you. Did you fucking adopt them legally yet? So move your all dibby blood clot from Yassa. That one want for blood clot tell you.
When I go on in my comments though.
You could be her grandfather and her father. So right now, we know social legal age, but right now you forget charged for blood clot rape. You all know blood clots.
Maybe if she was sucking.
But all man did I help her rub. Go add up her blood clot in them one for you. That if your blood clot the old man. Go put your look at Don's blood clot ding bang in a school.
But her husband don't.
Go help her to go change out her blood clot all piece of care what she have.
Far from the man age.
So the only time you can rub her when the man come? Holy fuck. Exactly. And where does him look a big stinking pussy man? The man in the house, the man only come over sometime. Cause the girl sell pussy. Go away. Where's the man all the time? The only time the girl can talk is when the man is there. Then you hear she shout out, baby, baby. Baby's never there. Me I tell you that.
Sounds familiar, people.
So anytime him talk about love Saunders, if you talk about him stinking pussy blood clot girl, him look a young blood clot daughter where my fuck. Cause that's his daughter. That's your fucking daughter. And any man 52 years old, what go there with a young girl like that is looking somebody for blood clot use and control. That me want to say. So should them hear love Saunders husband in the background, they want to bring man for talk all kind of
Britney
shit.
look like she in her
20s. Old man. Better you come and rub me. Go and buy a ring and put it on blood clot bricks.
Maybe
then
early
that
30s.
Something. Go and buy a blood clot ring and put it on your blood clot or mascot. That you fi do.
Yeah, she may be early 30s actually.
And the young girl read somewhere in her life.
Not
but
20s,
right now,
30s.
she has suck off your 1.5 balls. And right now, you fuck your daughter. That me want to tell you. The time that you argue with me, go and check out your heart before you have a blood clot mild heart attack. Them argument too steamy for your old man. Them argument too hot for your old man. Man, you have a mild heart attack.
No, sir. Krishna look them age that tall.
Remember, say Brit mother is not okay for you being with her daughter.
Chris look younger than love Saunders.
Remember, say Brit father is not okay
and
for
that's
you
just
today
the
with
truth.
her daughter. Let's talk about that.
That lady does not look 38.
You noticed the other day when it was your birthday, Britney mother and Britney father was nowhere to be found?
Maybe them not live in the same city or country.
You notice that anything Britta do with her man, you never hear she talk about her parents, because the parents is not approved. The parents already told Britney said the man is too old for her. That me want to shout out. The man is 52, ask her. The next time she come on the life, say, Britney, how old is your man? And when the man out there shout, ask the man, how old are you? I over here, the man is 50 blood clot too. I got the man picture, I'll show you. Me blood clot show now. Remember,
Love Saunders, Black Chinese.
The man they come and run up in blood clot mouth and couldn't do nothing more. And them still have Britney picking them out here, chastise them. The man couldn't do blood clot, nothing. The man move and go away. Instead of the man send blood clot Britney, got bomber class school, the man have Britney out here with gun. No one said Britney have two little young people in the house. No one said Britney's a blood clot, careless. And I bet you them not have the gun and put away the gun in a one safe blood clot box. Move on the dirty blood clot from your son. Yeah, you're 52 old geezer blood clot self. Me can't even call you old man, me have to call you old blood clot geezer.
She not sure nothing.
Old blood clot geezer. Go put a ring pan blood clot Britney hand. That's if you blood clot though. Go put a ring pan your blood clot daughter hand. That's if you do. You should have shamed yourself, you know, so you're 52 and you're there with a little girl who not even reach blood clot 32 yet. Nasty old man.
Yes, Black Chinese, that's what she said. You're a fucking danger
to blood clot society.
The lady said she had 38.
I pray for people, young girl. You need to be locked the fuck up. Move your dirty blood clot. May I look for people 1 minute?
Let me turn it on it. Because I go back in the kitchen.
I'm
going to look for my pancake real quick.
Should I be locked the fuck up, dirty germs? Should I be locked the fuck up, man? One of people may look for the old blood clot, dirty old blood clot, grown to an old dirty blood clot grandpapa. Our historian blood clot granny. I mean our historian blood clot granddaddy. Who shall fuck? Young blood clot matter stick like that. At a tender blood clot age, you fuck old man. Make a find it blood clot. Wait there. Sure. Hey, it cost enough.
Hurry up, yeah.
For the blood clot old man, the man. I'm coming with the old blood clot man. Instead of the old man put a ring for your blood clot finger, him a call me name. Man, me if you go for my blood clot husband for bring down him dirty blood clot. You hear drunk crop? And when my husband will come out and ask to say, go put a ring for your dirty blood clot suck with girl finger. People make him blood clot find him. Let me go on a camera. Hold on, people. So much shit in my blood clot phone. You there with an old man. Your kids them are so young. You say, okay, we are make life. The old man no legally go and adopt your children. It to the IRS, you're still a single blood clot man, woman, and the old man at all. Old man go blood clot, go look after your blood clot diabetes, dirty old man. Go and go look after your blood clot diabetes. You're a fucking pimp to the old little dirty blood clot little girl. You understand? Tell your blood clot little dirty blood clot zip to come off of the internet and go wash her dirty pussy. And go take up a calculator to see if you go count up blood clot money. Me look for the blood clot old man, you know. Must have passed it a blood clot ready, you know. Sure. Old man, go and go pay for your blood clot girl to do a blood clot tummy tuck. Look how she shape and all in blood clot one. Go do a tummy tuck for your big old so-called blood clot girl. This is your young girl and your young girl stay bad in her life. Look on her blood clot belly. Tell her to go do a bumper clot tummy tuck. Put your blood clot money where your mouth is dirty, old man. Cause your balls not do nothing. Go give her a tummy blood clot tuck. So when you send your blood clot cocky down in her big hole, she can blood clot feel it. Your dirty blood clot girl stay bad in her blood clot life. Stay bad in her blood clot life.
So wait there.
You so bad and you have a whole blood clot team, but you get.
I wonder if Britney go live. Cause what am I missing? Yeah, Britney that.
Cater to your blood clot wedding drunk crop. And that's if you worry about. Don't worry about me. I got a ring on my finger.
Nothing wrong with
I
Britney.
got a whole blood clot husband. Worry about keeping the old blood clot, old 52-year-old man. That me blood clot say. You don't have a whole man, bro. The man not married to you. I want the bomber clot picture the man. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna turn off my phone. I'm gonna turn off my phone and turn it back on. 1 minute.
So Britney man cuss love Saunders? Like what did I miss? I have to go look on Britney page after to see if she do live.
I don't want to lie. It's in my phone, but I just don't see it. But it's in the fucking phone. 1 minute. Your old blood clot man. Your old man when I'm putting a blood clot ring on it. And if your old man breed you drunk when my dad left the blood clot picnic because he's 52. By the time the picnic reach blood clot 9, him drop dead. Do the fucking math, dirty girl. Do the math. And then you come out and say your blood clot man by your house. And then you come out and say your mama. Then your brother, me can't keep up. So you see, your pussy wasn't even good enough for your blood clot man to help you. Dirty blood clots. Boy, me have some things in my phone, me can't even find it blood clot, you know. I showed you guys before. So don't like me and lie me I tell. About A. So much shit in my phone, sometimes I just can't have a bomb but can't keep up, bro. Can't find it, Baba. Can't find it, blood clot. And you know saying on my phone is just becoming a patient? If you look feet. In on my phone though, because this is the fucking phone I took it out of. I'm shown it before. So it blood clot gone. Because me showed you how still about blood clot girl, the picture supposed to be there. Okay, it was right after that. When me showed you the still about blood clot, all bumper clot, rancid pussy girl. Can't find it a blood clot. No man, me find it no blood clot. Oh, me say me can't find it. This is your all blood clot historian grandfather attack. Look on your man. Nobody would have want your man, Brit. This is your ugly blood clot man. Nobody know why your man. You have a belly and your man have a belly. You have a belly and your man have a belly. And what did we say last time with dear pastor? Your blood clot man not even have a good blood clot dick. So that's why you out your blood clot suck. Because your mouth with blood clot reaching more than your pussy clot, blood clot pussy. So look on your blood clot man. Tell your man to put a ring on your dirty blood clot. Your man all no blood clot, older than your father, older than your mother. Your historian. Blood clot grandfather this year fuck. Okay? So tell your old man to send you back to school so you can add. And send your old man back to school. Send your old man and tell your old man to put a blood clot ring on it. Your old man look like your blood clot pimp. Like I said before, the old man are the pimp. Dirty blood clot.
Live a countdown, people.
Cause look on him blood clot.
I come right back.
Look on him old man friend. Okay? So that are your blood clot pimp. Move your blood clots. And for the rest of the week, we not hear your pimp. And the only thing we are going to hear when you ring the phone, hi, baby. How are you, baby? Everybody know that. Because everybody knows that if a man work early, when you wake up and you go down in the kitchen, he will leave you a blood clot note. If the man living at the blood clot house.
Oh, shut up and stop lying, lady.
Alright? So when I look on your blood clots, no bumper clot time. You're young and done. And instead of the old man a suck you, you are suck him to keep him. And no blood clot ring a digga ding, digga 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 ding. No blood clot ring, digga digga ding. Look how the diamond is shining now, no blood clot. No ring a ding, digga 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 ding. No ring a ding, digga 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 ding. No blood clot ring, suck your mama, no ring. That me want for blood clot, tell her no. No ring. So any blood clot there, my husband left me. And me gonna go pick up a old man blood clot daddy. The contract would be old man, you are my sugar daddy. And me just give you a fuck now and then. So anytime you and the old man can do income tax together, then I'll say you're somebody. Anytime the old man can adapt you to fatherless blood clot picnic them, then we can say something. And anytime the old man put a ring on your blood clot finger, buy your wedding dress and have a wedding, then we can say you're a blood clot somebody. But right now, you sell pussy with your dirty G-string, and that's your blood clot pimp. Suck your mama. So now me can go about my blood clot business now. Me don't talk now. Me not nothing more for blood clot say. Got me blood clot yard now. Go cook my blood clot dinner. Cause I know some my kids them don't eat leftovers blood clot. Now, for the next side over there, so. Me understand so no have no talk show. Me understand so no talk show go on. Me understand so no do a whirly of things. But just remember say, I don't take
murder.
I don't take disrespect for invitation. So you see, if you don't want to talk about what go on with Love Saunders and the Dragon, you keep it blood clot peaceful, you know. You notice the other day me say brush.
Lady, don't tell us how to run over here. Do you and we do we.
Because me rub the blood clot dragon.
Boy, illustrious.
Recruit blood clot brush on them. And me realize that them a run our bumble clot when I say brush and say blood clot dragon. When now blood clot help you. We have bust champagne for your dirty blood clot and laugh after your dirty blood clot. So therefore, me keep a mutual understanding. So you see, when you don't want to drop out anything for on the talk show, make sure you not over there call me Yep and all of them things there. Because I'm going to take insult for invitation. And you come and answer on a cool and blood clot deadly. You understand? So no keep it moving.
Yes, Tom, I wish she had chat. She have to leave us a message.
Just listen. But if you invite a little blood clot there, Shireen Cole or AKA Storm Bossy, if you sit down for me blood clot picnic them, me not go take that blood clot lightly. Okay? So no what I do. I know at the end of the day, me not take insult for blood clot invitation. And same like how me come for the dragon. Me come for anybody mama bumbo clot when me feel like. So no keep me picking them out on no blood clot mouth. Cause me not talk about no picnic. Me not trouble no over there, so me just make no over here so blood clot. Listen when I get on the channel. And me want to tell you this. A long time the people them drop out the channel. So now have live over there.
And we don't talk about your kids, lady.
So me here. I'm in a come on the channel.
You do.
Me no come for try for friend, you know. Me don't blood clot come over there.
Stop lie. You have a private page over here.
Invitation.
But it's okay.
So you see, because you not rub me, and me not rub uno keep it blood clot mutual and respectful, no? Do you understand? Because me not afraid to come and answer no bumble clot like how uno not afraid for rub. But remember, say me rub by myself, me not rubbing a blood clot, gang. Alright? So keep it blood clot mutual. But for you big pussy storm bossy, me I take down your blood clot channel one more time. So you make them me take it down. And for you big bumble clot sodomite blood clotching Allen, you drop out a video a couple days ago. You have your so-called best friend of 10 years. You show yourself and the third person who in the corner who thought that's your wife. You never show your wife. It's time for you to stop. It's time for you to come out of the blood clot closet now. We know say you rub catches from long time, and we know it's a long time you don't get no real penis. So hashtag come out of the closet now, dirty big sour blood clot girl. That me want to tell you. And for the rest of them, the reason why me can sit down on my YouTube channel, sit down on IG and watch you know rub me over the years and don't have a nervous breakdown, because when it comes to my course, I did a little bit of psychology in the past. So there's no way you look a dirty blood clot. We come from a place where you hear gunshot from our baby until now. We come from a blood clot place where it's either food or blood clot school. Can blood clot break me down? You already broken down. You hurt people try to hurt me. That's why I want to never understand the structured life for me and my kids them off. That's why I want to never understand for your mother to pay for your care for your little boy and tell the little boy to go to school. Now stinking old bricks. You're talking about that I was doing drywall. Let me show you the difference between a drywall big pussy girl. I was doing a filler. It's called a poly filler. Something that you need in your big pussy. Because your pussy not have no grip and glam. That's why you're there old man. You left your young baby father and got an old man, your client, your pimp. So the day when I was here filling the walls, stinking whole bricks, I was using a filler. Let me go down into the basement and show you what's called a drywall drunker. So you have a house. Hold on now. I bought a house and I bought a house and I got a house and I got a real house. So you don't know the meaning of drywall and filler and you own a blood clot house? Drunker. This is called a drywall. This is called a drywall. This is called a drywall, and when you're ready to fill it, you put in a putty. This is called a blood clot putty. Stinking hole, girl. So that's why I know you don't have no blood clot house. Because you don't know, so the blood clot something, it's called a filler, and you don't know, downstairs it's called a blood clot drywall. You don't live nowhere, a rental place, go suck your mama. That no one for telling them. Just to show you. Just to show you. Because people rent place, them not check to see if them have furnace. Them not check if the furnace will work. Them not check if nothing will leak, because that's a landlord problem. So all you for talk to me about house. All you for talk to me about house. And what does a filler do? A filler sticks crack and holes. Something that you need for using your pussy. Okay? So I wasn't doing much bricks. The house is already done bricks. The only thing we're worrying about is the basement to finish up now, stinking old bricks. And then for them to come and do the roof bricks. And the house is done. It's gonna clean. It's already shampoo. Upstairs already done. The bathroom already done. The only thing we need to do now, finish up and rent out it blood clots. You never see the state of the house before. You never see it? Me show the house from the first, the scratch until it almost finished. So don't be blood clot bad man. Go work on your credit, big pussy girl. Because I don't even hear you talking about a credit card. You can't have mortgage without no credit card, because for you to get a mortgage, you have to have a credit. So you can't talk to nobody about ya. And we know in America how America is racist. And we know, so for you to get a house, you have to come up with at least a 3-year income tax. A 3-year income tax that you're working at that job for so long, and you're bringing in the same income for the 3 years straight. And on top of that, you need a blood clot down payment. So if you and this man is not married, and this man is 52, and this man never give you a blood clot ring, then how you end up with buy a house with this man? So just to show you, your pussy too eager for man. Your pussy too jumpy till you jump out a frying pan in a frying pan. Hey. Just to show you. So you fuck and you not wine. Because here you go now, putting out all your look a bit of look in a one big old dusty blood clot old man. Here you are taking your children's future, giving to an old man that the old man is already done and having paperwork done. You see me I say? So you move blood clot backwards, stinking pussy girl. When you're there with an old man, you never go buy a house with an old man. And we know you never buy no house. Is it ironic that I only me one in the summertime at barbecue? I only me one on the trampoline? I only me one in my backyard and not bricks?
Here we go.
Is it ironic? Is it ironic that we never saw Britt bedroom until Brett get a bedroom set? Is it ironic? And is it ironic the day when it's time when Britt get the bedroom set and it was time for Britt to fix up the bedroom, Britt have her little son, I put picture up on the wall, not the man? And is it ironic that every time something broke in at the house, a Britt's son have to fix it, not the old man? Because the old man is not there. You have the little picture them and call the old man daddy. When the little picture them have them father out there, son. So those kids cannot belong to the old man unless he legally adopt those blood clot picnic. And you will be dumb enough to go a young piss and tail girl like you to go buy a house with a 52-year-old blood clot man when never married to you. When not do income tax with you and I tell the government that you're his common law spouse. You are his girlfriend. He is your gigolo and you are the slut. He is your pimp and you are the whore. So go suck your mama one more time, dog shit. Why you think you have the gun? Why you think you have the gun? Because most blood clot stripper have those kind of weapons to protect them blood clot cells from these blood clot old geezer. So long time you out here sell pussy Brit. Long time. Ah, cha-cha. Anyways, you come over here and me never do fuck all. Why me drink one apple juice of people, me side? Me talk to me out of breath. So next time you come to me, old man, next time you come to me, old dirty man, you are a dirty man. Make sure Brit plays it for you. Make sure Brit play this live for you. I'm going to make sure me fix it live for you. When you come to me, old dirty man, remember, Brit could be your daughter, your grandma, your granddaughter, and your niece. Remember, say, Brit, you have a picnic and have children the same age as Brit. And remember, say, Brit father don't like you and Brit mama don't like you. And remember, say, those children in your house is not for you. And just remember, say, you never adopt those children legally, dirty old geezer. And remember, say, you never put a ring on it, old geezer. So before you come and talk to me, go put a ring on Brit, go and adopt her children, and go and file income tax to the IRS when you come and last suckhood spouse. But for now, she's only your fuck bait, rape bait, because you're an old blood clot man, triple her age. How about that? So if you go to your blood clot rape, make sure so when you're over there fuck off blood clot Brit, you know fuck off her data on top of it. Dirty old man. Because usually you old man will take up them like a young girl and wanna fuck off them data. Wanna see them with a young pitney and they don't know ways on the way and pretend that the mother on the want and then don't end up fuck off the little pitney. Dirty blood clot Brit. The time you watch me dog, the time you watch me money, make sure you watch your data from your old blood clot pervert. How about that? That's what you have to do. And dirty blood clutching, the next time you're fucking in your 2-bedroom, make sure the kids them are sleeping. Or you send the kids them away, go find a blood clot hotel. If you go. Make sure you get up and follow the man got the bathroom so I'm not sneaking in your daughter room, go fuck off your young daughter. Dirty blood clot Chin. Chin, when it was your daughter's birthday, Chin, you made the little girl come out and wind up and I carry on, and you wind up, and you your daughter, and I carry on. But I bet you not teach your daughter off your blood clot cook.
Okay. Okay.
Eh?
Yeah.
I bet you not teach your daughter off your wash her pussy or off your cook. In dirty girl.
Okay.
Eh? I bet you not do that. I bet you not teach your daughter not to make no mistake and go have no bunch of blood clot picnic with no daddy. I bet you not teach your daughter that. But you teach your daughter for blood clot wind up in a blood clot skin tight body outfit when she was just blood clot 16 and 15. You put on tight up on the little girl and have the whole world look on the little girl asset them dirty mama. Shouldn't you come like them mama that with blood clot drink and smoke when you picnic them? Like how you're naked in front of your picnic them a long time you give your picnic them strip show dirty girl. Move your blood clots. Long time. Long time you pouring blood clot out your walking porn. Long time. So me never go careless yet. Me son don't know what my body cheek look like. My son them not even know what my belly blood clot look like. Okay? Because when you have to have respect for pick me. Okay, Chin? So the time you run up your blood clot mouth, she can't even cook. Can't blood clot cook. Me said the other day, Chin. Cook some soup with, I think, pigtail and... Me not even know where in the pot. They didn't look like a chin finger them in the pot anyway. And the sitting them look like chin blood clot finger them in the pot. And the person said, love Saunders, look on the pimento seed. And me tell the person, say, move before me if you lick it with the pimento seed them. And the person blood clot laugh and come out of the inbox. You understand, Chin? So move your dirty blood clot. Your soup full of blood clot pimento seed. Full of pimento seed like how your life full of blood clot problem. Dirty drunk crop. So one thing me can say. A woman out there with all kind of pussy and the woman can't cook. And you know the worst part about it? Watch this. Love Saunders have one pussy. And Dragon have a pussy. Tani have a pussy. Setbad Chin have a pussy. Chin Allen have a pussy. Storm Bossy aka Chin Shireen have a pussy. Who else name me never call have a pussy? Brit have a pussy. Keiko have a pussy and a 7 pussy no have, and 7 of them no have no blood clot man and a 7 pussy out there. And me one with my pussy got a husband. So you see that? So pussy everywhere but no man. And I wanna have 7 pussy come together. 7 pussy. And me only have 1 pussy and 7 on the pussy can't catch a decent man. So you see that? You see that? And me the person who ugly. Me who are the well. Me who have all kind of baby daddy. Me who have 6 picky and 10 baby daddy. Have a husband. So does that make sense to you? That's why me now come back and argue with no dirty blood clot. And if me have to come and argue with you, Dragon, me go dress up the blood clot pelican in my bathroom. Put some jail suit on him. Put yoga picture on him. Put one black dolly on the back and put a picture on him. Come gag out your blood clot. Watch me and you. So you sure you want to go down them the taxes then? You sure you want me to come back and you can rub you with gimmicks? Dirty Dragon. So you can't talk to me about nothing. You understand? And for you so good Storm Bossy, Shireen blood clot core. Hop off of me blood clot me. See me and don't see me drunk up. And call any kind of police you want to call to lock up me blood clot. Do what you fucking please. But when I see you, go lock up blood clot matter while licking at your blood clot like Puss or you go beat up Puss. Yeah? Go argue with Matthew blood clot, a woman them when you have on your dirty blood clot. Go argue with your matey them dirty girl. And go argue with Matthew blood clot woman when I like you. That me want you to do. Pay attention to your blood clot pitney them while run around. What the government a blood clot mind. And go pay attention to blood clot Matthew. Remember you know, Shireen, in the past, you had to pay for a DNA test for Matthew blood clot girl when it breed out there. The only good thing the pitney wasn't for Matthew, remember? So a long time Matthew have you out here like a man shalom peng. So when that singer right now, that artist singer, when name I water, come out and burn Pretty and give Pretty a baby. A long time you set the league out of Shireen from man mascot. A long time man out there give you picnic on top of picnic. So you set the blood clot trend. So when I want to come out, you come do my horror story, I want to get the example from your dirty blood clot. How about that? So don't come talk about nobody. Go come do. So anybody want to do them show, wanna do no show, but no call me name. Don't come and style me as Abe Saunders if you not try for blood clot or cheer me on. Because if you not cheer me on and I gloat and say Love Saunders beat the dragon, then how if you insult me and not cheer me on? That not work in a life.
Because we are not friends.
How if you give me glory and not tear me down at the same time? That not work in a life. So better you not give me no glory. It's a cheap one to gang up with and rub me too.
No.
That's what I'm saying. Because you can't give somebody a glory and a bantanar. You can't give somebody a glory and then you have got to suck with Storm Bossy and talk about me youth then. Do you understand? And Storm Bossy can't show herself and show who the fuck she is. And she know me as can't she and me no know she. So that's very disrespectful, don't you think? So no content if you do no show. Me know say if without me rubbing the dragon, me no think you don't have no show. Because Love Saunders is the hottest blood clot boy right now.
Yep, we got it to watch you guys.
As the way una go on. And I mean say to now uno the way una go on.
Love Saunders. Over here so team Puss, team Saunders, whoever can come.
So if una go on keep on a show.
And everybody can voice them opinion and write what they want.
Una can keep a show where people can come and laugh and listen to the news, the latest bag and the latest dragon story. I applaud you for that. But don't come use me and come insult me on top of it.
No, lady.
Because I will come and open my mouth and defend myself.
Do what you gotta do, lady.
So same like how me I keep it mutual. And me say Tanya. And me say Brass. And me say Island Candy. And me say Diary. Me I keep it blood clot mutual. So I want to do the blood clot same now. If not, me come and answer no for no dirty blood clot.
Oh.
You understand?
You hear that? Like Love Saunders say we.
So me don't say come and car now cheer me on.
Oh.
The only person me can sit on a team will respect me and cheer me on and I say Love Saunders beat the woman Annie. Annie. Because she not say ape, you know. She say Love Saunders. So me I go gear the blood clot one and then she listen me I go gear the one the Annie from afar. But the rest of them are very disrespectful, bro. Oh no, very blood clot disrespectful. And yesterday me hear Tanya say, you know, say Love Saunders never do that. And me know say me hate Love Saunders, you know. But Love Saunders never said that about Chin. So me can respect for you for that again, blood clot Tanya. But the other disrespectful with the blood clot Storm Bossy situation, me now go sit down on that blood clot. Me here. So no know what I do about you, man. But one thing me say, you now go stop me from call blood clot something from Bumbo clot. Shireen.
Me don't know who named Shireen.
I'm gonna stop me from take down Storm Bossy channel if she no blood clot. Stop. So me can leave our channel, no. Me can leave our channel, make she start over. And one thing me can do as well, me can gear back our channel. Because there's ways for you to get back that channel stinking who was Storm Bossy. You depend your episode blood clot long and not even know if you get back your channel. Why you not come in on my inbox and say Love Saunders, tell me how to get back the channel. Bitch, better you come in on my inbox and ask me if you give back your channel. There's ways to get back the channel, Storm Bossy. All me have to do is hey, me not even go blood clot, tell you. So you never even have to start a new channel. You just have to stop. You just have to start for half off of me blood clots. Come in and see you drunk crop. And you know, so you can run upon me no blood clot there when you see me. Because you know who I am, you know, so me not take check, me not take blood clot shot from no girl. And you know, so when me make up my man to come slap you blood clot down, me not take back that. So if you were brave with blood clot enough, you'd have drop out where you live long blood clot time.
Star, me hear that?
So don't act like you brave boy, yeah. You're only brave in a bag of blood clot talk and a bag of content. And you only can run up your mouth on your channel when me take them. So just remember to me work on Chin Allen channel. And Storm Bossy, don't make me have your blood clot take down your channel. Come me take it down again. You understand? And for you big time entertainment, me warn you and me go warn you again. Mind me if you come for your blood clot channel too. Don't put any blood clot thing out there with my name in it. Don't. Me I rub on it right now on Instagram. And if me want drop out upon my YouTube, I can and I don't. Because certain things me no want go upon YouTube. That's why me come on IG and hide me blood clot face. And when me go on YouTube, me sit down comfortable in my blood clot place and sing out me content. Remember, so over Christmas, me over YouTube. For Christmas, me go over YouTube and show decoration and show blood clot gift ideas. So me never hide. But guess what? I am doing good content. So me show me face. But if me a bagger, now show me blood clot face. You better go tell the police and my voice I sing. You better go play me blood clot voice to police. Because me know so when this shit end up in a court in our work because I just voice note. So no mama. Do you understand? So me now look for Uno. But at the end of the day, you have some respect. Do you understand? So me now stop on the front door and talk show. But remember,
after you not pay me bills, lady.
Talk show, I would think. Because the whole latest is Low Saunders and Dragon. Low Saunders and Dragon. That's the war we're not pushing them. That's the war we're not push.
We just
and
watch.
If we shut down this blood clot circus, no fuck we don't have nothing to talk about. Because remember, say Puss rub everyone our people them the same. I mean, come out and rub Puss every time differently. Different blood clotly every time they come. And when me rub chin differently. Words when me use, me not even sometimes not even repeat the words and when me use. And more time when me come, me not even cuss bumper clot. Me just want to be cool and dead.
Lady, listen to you sitting again.
So I want to echo this before me jump in on my blood clot.
You cuss bumper clot and everything, every second word, lady. You cuss a lot.
This to no big woman out there. I no watch Puss tear down everybody over the years. I no laugh, I no talk. When me come now, if you tear down the blood clot dragon, no for no talk about this and that. Do me a favor now, stay for the blood clot channel. And do a favor now, stay to me blood clot inbox. And do me a favor now, if Puss a whisper on the ears of the company channel, do yourself a blood clot favor. Because by now and tomorrow, me go sing pound the name who is. So before me sing pound the name, do me a blood clot favor and come over here.
Wanna leave it woman page.
Una Puss blood clot chihuahua. Una take program for my dirty woman who can tap up our blood clot data. I don't say una big woman now, una hot woman. But the one thing me like, una older than me, una make nothing in a blood clot life. Una worthless in a blood clot. And every day we hear una, oh, I'm going on vacation to this man and that man. Una fly go take fuck. While Love Saunders lie down in her house and take fuck. How about that? No found no blood clots. Chin nobody no want you in New York and the Bronx so you fly all the way out to Not Nice to go get fuck. And as Not Nice take out the condom and that's so the story stop. And you out here run up your mouth chin and I come talk about every man look me suck me. So what you tell the whole world say Not Nice suck pussy? Is that what you're telling the whole world say Not Nice to suck your pussy? I bet you can't tell nobody that. The only person who didn't suck are you. I may wait till me get the suck video to come dash it out for your dirty, careless blood clot. That me want to tell you. Other than that, people may go in my yard right now. Feel me? So don't know yourself next time when I call me name. So all dirty blood clot man, Britney blood clot pimp. Take them some of those ideas that I tell you to do. You dirty pervert, you go look your blood clot age. Go and find a woman that is fucking 48. Go find a woman that in her late blood clot 40s, dirty man. You're dirty in a blood clot. Make sure you not fuck off Britney daughter in her house. You understand? That's why you can't take people blood clot simple, Paul Stone Crusher. You can't take people simple. The only reason why I don't act according to because I know what I'm capable of. And I keep on telling you because of the lifestyle that me live. The way me grow and I'm my abiding sin me try to hold it down. You will never know that I'm type of this person until you make me play my blood clot hand. And you know how dangerous my blood clot become. You understand? So a long time I depend the pussy them and I pray them and not say nothing.
Okay,
you understand? So back to you, dirty blood clot, all pervert, all geezer. Once upon a time, all lantry, and all hardback grown to a man. You are a pervert. The little girl is younger than your blood clot. You could be the little girl, your grandfather and father and uncle. Raper blood. If me the woman that play a raper song for your dirty blood clot. So next time you bring me down, just remember, say you are a rapist, not blood clot. You look upon little girl and I pray upon little girl. What would, if you can sleep with blood clot Brit, I know say Brit is that age, what would you do with that little blood clot daughter when she now look nasty old man? You know here the other day, Brit, when you didn't talk Brit, you know here you come out and say, you know, I watch porn. 1 minute, I watch porn because the reason why I watch porn is because I don't want my man to be tired of me. Me blood clot. Bumba clot. So the young girl I do more than what she's supposed to blood clot do to bumba clot. And you're still not getting a ring. You're still not getting a ring. That means so you're giving the man all a body cleaner to dirty Brit. Jesus have mercy, Brit. Class dog shit, you. You look a low class dog shit, you. Imagine. So you please the blood clot 52-year man will do marathon on earth already. You out here suck a old man will do marathon and I do donkey years on this earth already. Your man all just like donkey. Yeah man. Your blood clot man all like Jesus donkey. That me want to tell you. And instead you ride the old man and ride the blood clot. No Brit man, Brit, go find a man your age, dirty girl. That's the go find a man your age. And if your man is comfortable with that old man, then your mama feel in a blood clot life. If your mother and your people and your family member is okay with you lying down with your grandfather, then feel you as a blood clot life as a mother. She feel you. Because me as a mother would never want to see my early daughters in her 30s.
Even if they're not okay with it, she's grown. It's her life.
So Britney, your pussy nasty a thing. Your pussy done. 52-year-old, it's stop.
She not defend Uko.
People, on a know, so as a young girl, when you take up a old man,
just
you don't have to work, you don't have to do nothing.
Britney
still have to go to work. I'm running to football. I'm running to work. I'm just coming from work. And you got an old man? Britney, any day me pick up an old man, Britney, I won't even lift up a blood clot straw. Because that would be my sugar blood clot daddy. So the only person who will go backward is your dirty blood clot.
Maybe
the only reason why I work, Britney, is because I want to be independent. But remember you said
maybe she's doing the same.
And the man is 52. So you're not supposed to work if you have a sugar daddy. You're supposed to work when the man is the same age as you. So when you work,
maybe she wants to work.
Want to build together, want to grow together.
So all this Britney then.
Together. That's all I know. But right now the man I got dead left your blood clot and you know the panny will. How would the blood clot? Right now, the man I got dead left you, and you know, depend the man pension. You're not a wife, you're a knife. Move your blood clot.
Oh, Mary, lyrics that you know.
The man
dirty life.
And you know, depend the man blood clot, nothing. Because the man never married to you. And you're not a common law spouse because the man don't live with you. And the man not pay no income tax with you. And for you to get the man pension when in dirty Britney, is for you to do income tax with the man, for the system to know say he had a spouse in the system. And right now, you know, they put no blood clot paper.
They're not married, so they don't have to talk about no spouse if they don't choose to.
Britney, remember, so when the school call you for your bad broken son, them a call you, they not ask for no pooper. Them a call you drunk. You understand that a Uko business? If Uko want to make Puss tear down, that a Uko business. Uko have a mouth, you know. Uko can't cuss, you know. But
somebody right about it.
I remember so Uko have her mano.
Over here listening.
So make sure go and enjoy her man. Cause Puss not have no man. So
Puss talk about somebody send her evidence with Uko voice note. I talk about her. And the money, trust me, that's why Puss never mention it to nobody. But she not mention it to Teen Puss and blah, blah, blah.
But another Puss she take Uko money. Remember one time she take her money already, you know.
Yeah, for the waist train, I $200.
Me not blame Uko, you know. That's why yesterday when me go on Uko page and me hear them myself and rub me in the comment section, me jump off. Come in and take insult for invitation. You understand? So me just leave Uko, and if me not say Uko on my page like me say, I understand. Cause I better Uko rub me more than don't rub me. Cause if Uko rub me, then they will friend her. So Uko just come and rub me and done yeah. Uko just rub me and get it over with Uko, but me not answer. Me not answer.
I like Uko, she go answer, said she has set you up.
Dirty love Saunders, dirty
Uko don't go. Stay away there.
Make sure you no cuss her, you know.
Cuss me blood clot.
Make sure you no cuss back, girl.
Me just make you go on your way. Come in now, so they want you to cuss me.
Love Saunders, yeah,
but me not answer you. Because if
come
Uko don't cuss me, then
her.
I go cuss you. And if Uko come on my page, then I go cuss you.
A joke here, Uko,
you're
make
between
us
a hard rock and a blood clot stone.
Don't please
post.
post.
Come out and I need the rock here.
That
But
Puss
I
one.
can't understand how them go like some people not for going away.
Have a mind of your own for once, Uko, don't do it. Make
Uko run like a blood clot thief, yeah, Uko.
Don't you
can't
ever
manage this a warrior.
Don't you ever join in a group on IG, because if you don't rub somebody and you don't
enjoy it,
them will come out and rub you.
We should have missed her from night show, yeah?
Because when they have a man of their own, they don't realize that anybody can go anywhere they want to go. Anybody wants to go where they want to go, you know. So I just say, where on me blood clot seat, you know. Remember, say enough of them girl, you know, you see a sing family, you know. And I want them pan about my life. And I remember say for them, enough of them man are some drugs, man, you know. And if they don't get a blood clot, also because the man have to add it in them blood clot name because of drugs, man. And if you add right now, some of them still not have no house because police gone with the house and the vehicle. So me not look on them blood clot, girl.
A Puss wicked to her, and a Puss set her up for cuss me, cuss Tanya, cuss you, cuss everybody.
Them can't sell it. Them can't go bank, no ask no loan from the house. Them can't take out nothing because of drugs, body, blood clot by it. So me not look on them.
And she got hard with Tanya. And you look how them rub her out yesterday, you know.
That's what them blood clot, oh yeah. Enough of them girl when you sit around here call me name, them go take all people blood clot, man. People husband. And out here talk about my look of blood clot old man. Me not look on them in the people. Me not look on them.
Man.
Me just want to say pick up the real girl them with them on IG. Wanna know say me you know the funniest thing, this is what I wanted to say before I go. Wanna realize so the other day the look of dirty people them say, Love Saunders you drop our words. Love Saunders you drop our words. But how can I drop my words when then you come out and say me a talk about them? So that means I never drop my words.
But they go right cake on name over there.
Why did you even come and say me a drop words? That's how pathetic that they are. That's why me shouldn't even come out and cuss them. Because they're so fucking pathetic, bro. You understand? Me a drop word and you know so I feel but me a drop word. You sound pathetic, bro. When you know say me come out and call the people name. Like when me a talk about the other side,
yeah,
you say Daniel, Tanya, Brass, and the list go on. Do you understand? And when me want to talk about the dirty
Brush,
job,
your ear love Saunders.
Understand?
Diary, Brush, Island Candy to Ras.
Yes.
So if you keep it mutual.
And the reason why me not call that look at dirty Puerto Rican girl by her name because she's Puerto Rican, bitch is not even black. Belong. When this bitch knows that she was part of the blood clot, the French and her blood clot ancestor, all blood clot, straight mama and granny. So me not look on this Puerto Rican bitch.
Forgot the nasty in front side though.
I've been in a relationship for 25 years, but you posted it over Ashanti. They say 100 where you sit on me, you couldn't do a 100
no, she never touch cake. Touch her. Touch Puerto Rican girl.
Still not married. You pump out here and still nobody no want you. And then Ashanti drop out your stinking pussy and come and apologize to you. You was okay with you dirty blood clot Puerto Rican girl.
Murder, right there, so she.
Because you're not black. And for me to waste my energy upon a slave blood clot driver, not at all.
Not at all.
Go look for some slave to go
Suck
work
your
with like
mama,
dirty puss.
Keiko. Puerto
Because
Rican
we know the
girl.
history
Promote
of Puerto
Jamaican
Rico.
people
We know the
stuff.
discrimination what black people face in Puerto Rico. So girl go suck your mama. A long time you out your blood clot tell black people.
Make
And a long
Puss
time
and
and
go
then
love
when you have your blood
standards by
clot son and your
herself. You're
daughter,
not
your family
Jamaican.
disown you
Get
dirty blood
lost.
clot because you lie down with a black man. Suck your mama. You know, see, you don't belong in a Puerto Rican
She have
family.
a
Where's the Puerto
Jamaican
Rican
man, it
family
sound
from?
like.
Where are they? Eh? You notice your sister not even come and pick up your dirty blood clot? You notice?
Me
And
not
you
think
come
the
to the
cake
you
of
live
Puerto
with your
Rican, because the
brother
one
and
of the
your
Puerto
sister.
Rican girl
And
look
you don't and you
sexy.
dirty dog. You not even have a one place to call yourself. When your mother dead and left the house, she left the house, you know your brother name, your name, and your sister name Puerto Rican girl. You don't have a place to call your own. Suck your mama. And you have big blood clot, dirty, rusty blood clot girl. And you don't have a place to call yourself. And your mama yard you still a catch. Until now you not left out of your mama nest yet. Until now you not left underneath your mama bosom yet. Suck your mama. So when you talk good dirty blood clot Puerto Rican,
Cause
suck
she a
good
mad girl,
talk
Tanya.
good. Talk good. We know our history. We're not giving a slave driver no blood clot attention. Slave driver go suck your mama. Slave driver come and pay us our repatriation, dirty blood clot, girl. That you feel do. You come around your blood clot not like you're black over here. Let me
Yes,
tell you.
right there
Let
for
me
she.
tell you.
Dirty
Let me
girl.
tell you. Only a blood clot till it's a start a conversation.
Keiko,
Let me
look
tell
for
you. Let me
high
tell you a blood
grade,
clot.
girl.
Let me tell you what.
Straight out of the can, bitch. Love
Hey,
talk about
somebody
people
jump out that
smoke
pussy, give me
straight
no
out of the
people. Man, I love that
can.
pussy. I'm gonna find the
Smell
pussy.
it,
Drop out the pussy, give me
bitch.
please.
Island candy a girl with the blood clot.
Drop out the pussy, give me please. Somebody please me, I beg on no hate me, I'm here to so drop out the pussy, give me please.
Lord, she want her enemy them for
Drop
jump out
out
the
the pussy, in my
pussy
inbox, please.
girl.
Take a pussy picture.
Let me
Love
remind you about your
standards
blood
one.
clot, and daddy.
Somebody said it go girl who have
You
it.
dirty hairy pussy.
Blood
You
clot.
have to break up and you
Me
dirty
have
hairy
it.
pussy, you out here, bag up and last year, you know.
Oh
You hear
God,
dirty pussy.
somebody gonna send it go girl island. You don't
When
really
you
join in
talk,
a
talk
them
Me
good.
setting
know.
setting
Me not
shit
send
And
it.
we know
baby.
see your racist no bumbo clot. And we know see that's a look a
Somebody
place
will
we belong
get
because
it.
the Puerto Rican family dash out your blood clot when you start mix with black people. Do you understand? That's why Cardi B out here run up on her mouth and her carry on. Because once you mix with black, you never could go back. Don't you know, drunk crowd? Don't you know your history? Don't you know your racist blood clot history? So we are going like you have somebody. You only have a puss rubber dub because you look somewhere if you belong because you know nobody. The Puerto Rican girls are
She
not looking on
don't
your
know
blood
her
clot. You don't
identity.
ever have mixed breed with a black man. You're disowned in your community.
I'm a
So
sister
many
drop
people
out
don't
a
want to
racist
love you, dirty
sentence,
girl.
but
That's why
you
me never come
all
and
are
answer
separate
you.
ourselves.
Okay.
Yeah, rub the junk some more.
That's why me never answer you, dirty dog.
Rub her some more. Boy, you
Come know
all.
the history about Uno. We know the slave trade about Uno. We know how much time Uno blood clot trade the black people them for tobacco. We know how much time Uno beat us, come and beat us, blood clot go. So me
Yeah.
know me blood clot girl who was a refuge and repatriation for me blood clot black ancestors. Me no in no argument them go suck your mama.
Black
That's what
ancestors
me
are
use
black
if your blood clot call
ancestors.
for them people them and jump off for your blood clot long time.
Me say
You
you
may know.
kill
Look how
me.
long you have that. When was the last time you have a conversation? Dibby Puerto Rican stuck with girl. When was the last time? So just to show you a slave driver, move your dibby blood clot from yourself. Dirty blood clot. I'm pushing know our history. I'm pushing know our history. That girl I want to get run when a bumbo crawl.
Run them way.
Because let me show you how Puss not like you. And let me show you how Puss not no respect for you. While you over there exhibit, the only thing Teeny was saying in the comment section, crackhead come exhibit. The only thing Teeny was shout out, dirty pussy cake or come exhibit. When Teeny ready, Teeny say you and your dirty dead blood clot son when Teeny ready for rub you. And your teacher is right there watching Teeny rub you. And I tell you all of them things about your son and she not say nothing. But as soon as me suck something the drug I want for blood clot talk.
Talk truth.
Right there so.
She can't bring anything to the blood clot drug. And after me no hold on my mouth and talk drug and you me a blood clot talk to. Me now hold long nothing more and talk. Keiko go suck your mama. Next time you record Keiko, go record the distance and the kilometer upon your pussy where you put her panty. Go measure the meter and the kilometer where you put her upon your pussy all this time. That's
Ugly pussy Keiko.
You fuck up your longitude and your blood clot latitude. You need a meter to measure your pussy blood clot. Measure your pussy deep.
Don't like that.
Your pussy reach all the
Man,
way
you
over
got
the
type
blood
in the comment about cake again because just
and a shot you not blood clot, gold mine or superstar. One look at dibby hungry belly blood clot. So you now go up and you now go on dirty blood clot Keiko. On top of it, Keiko, you have a light skin and you still not have no blood clot, man. You dirty old blood clot old geezer, you. You're in your 50s and I have nothing for blood clot, sure.
Keiko search for her identity, but she can show two little donkey pan a feel.
Teeny rub all the little girl when she rub it. When Teeny ready, Teeny, maybe I'll tell her her daughter pussy stink when Teeny ready. When Teeny ready for dip up underneath the crackhead girl have to come off of the life. And Puss
run with too.
And so Teeny used to try to rub me and tell Puss, add me blood clot and bring down Teeny. I remember when me bring down Teeny, what Teeny do? Come back and cuss all blood clot Puss. And what Puss said, love Saunders, you saw you left Teeny and rub me. Move your dibby blood clot. She feel rub you, yes? Because she a man you and a blood clot give you that. So when she rub you, she feel rub out the blood, so they rub out back the tin mackerel out of your dirty blood clot what she buy. I don't know. Show them if you mind you and give you money all the time and buy your tin mackerel. So if you rub back the tin mackerel out of your dirty big blood clot or dragon. You feel me?
Murder.
So pussy out your dirty
a 5 or 6 days now.
Yeah, she make Teeny do a real blood clot bad. Right now, me can show you a screenshot where Teeny say, oh, crackhead, come and exhibit. Crackhead, them call the dirty blood clot girl. So when me call her name, me don't know why it was a problem. But you know why it was a problem? Because they were planning to rob me. That's why it was a problem.
The weak girl them now come out.
That girl call your name, just rub out her blood clot. Why you think when Sid come out on blood clot Brit stop call Sydney? Why? Because Brit was told to leave Sid. Just the blood clot show. Brit was told by Puss to leave Sid because Puss did think say Sid I go come back over there, come rub Love Saunders. Or Sid I go listen to her and come off a Love Saunders channel.
Yeah.
No, what going on, act like no, what going boy. Yeah. That's why Brit not answer Sid. That's why Brit shut her blood clot when it comes to Sid. Because Puss told Sid, Puss told a Brit to leave Sid alone.
Yeah, right there, so I know her style.
Them say she for come in the inbox, come deal with problem. So because Sidney go up on Post Live one time and bring down Dawn, she feel like say Sida kill this blood clot girl for come over there come help her blood clot rub. But she don't know say Sida make her blood clot money. When Sida their work, Sida their blood clot also do a catering. So look like them blood clot no know that. And them act like so them no know say Sid blood clot reason I know right from wrong. You feel me? So me now look on them.
You have to go teach Sid to wash the toilet though.
Remember, so when Pussy there Jamaica, she make Sean come and not even pay Sean any money. Remember, so she never pay Sean no money. I make the man drive out in blood clot gas. Remember? Remember, not even a shirt, she not bring no go get Sean, not even a cologne. I look how much shirt and cologne.
But she need shirt and cologne for herself.
She not even look on Sean and say, Sean, because of the dirty people, them, you know, we're going to use you and gimmicks out the dirty people, them, you know. So when a yoga shirt, when we bring for yoga, a brand new, you know, well, one of them shirt, you know, Sean, and all a cologne, dirty woman, no give the woman, the man, no gas, or no shirt, or no cologne.
No,
Dirty woman. You understand what I'm saying?
Why you doing
a long time woman poppers. I remember someone did say she never buy no lobster, no shrimp, or somebody feed the dirty woman. Woman broke and popper.
She claims that she don't eat lobster, so she couldn't afford it.
For a long time, government
no, Erica went
a long time, the market people, them share thief out the market people. Them I remember say, you know. Remember say when you're thief, you know, you're not really thief quality, you know. You thief where you can't catch and you thief where you can't hide right away. So when the dirty woman go into the market, the woman not look on decent meat, the woman not look on decent nothing, the woman just a thief and grab and thief and grab. Because when you're a thief, you really can't look good. You just have to grab and go, grab and go, grab and go. So when the woman I like take up food and something, woman not take up nothing good. Just survival skills the woman depend. So when woman I come talk about my food, that's the woman the butcher. Remember say me got the farm and me reason with my blood clot butcher them. So move your dirty blood clot from your stuff.
Love Saunders. You really need information, Saunders. Oh, you know when me there in my yard, I do love Saunders. Love Saunders. Oh, you know
she attack over food.
And a chicken me a be.
You look a catering said good.
Me no have no time. I come from work. I'm a sad.
Why sit anytime you come out, come show something messy nasty toilet.
I check and I know say from me.
Why don't you wash your hands?
Remember they not sick. Remember know what a woman is quality.
He have on gloves.
Enough. So just something when me don't know me I say you over there. Likewise sit me here but they are cook. Think no.
See there? It said speed over start up. Cook where cook.
Cook your blood clot.
Show in the kitchen. We want to the floor. We want to cover the carrot and the roach are running there.
I'm going to put on the chicken, man.
A barbecue jerk, them want me love with rice and peas. I'm gonna post it. I'm working. I'm working.
Post it to me, come
see me now. I'm working.
All right, miss, you're working. All right, I'll spit up on the people. Them phone.
Yeah, she already did. Tell her no.
Nobody no big crash. And leave me. Me not take no intentional whipping. Any whipping me I get, me I forget my own beat for my own purpose, my love. And me come for the little stinking girl when he and Brit and she me really a ride.
A clear spit is not the food there, you know.
Got it. You understand? Before she go pick out the man, me don't know where them can get her to bring up them there 1.5 balls there. But me now go cuss over the people them food, you know, because look here.
They don't pit up in like the pit they are going to be
we don't focus on focus. So when we are prepared with meals and things, we don't really
By say you're distracted.
So we are going to work, you know. Let me cook and me move forward. No one them screenshot it and send it to the client. Them can be a screenshot, them a screenshot people comment on something, and then we the likes to them go down and cricket go pay my bill.
Well, do your things, yeah, mama.
So later.
All right, mama, big yourself.
Yeah, bye.
Yeah.
All right.
Don't a cricket. What is that?
Try to show you people. So it's like, you see what I say? So that's, yeah, man. So yes, Mercy, grab and run. So the
cricket
woman
pick furniture store?
The woman pick up no beef, no decent beef. Woman just grab and run.
Don't say so chicken and five space tonight.
When was the last time you see them going to one decent grocery store and pick up some grocery? Thief not going to grocery store to shop. Thief going to grocery store, grab and run. Wanna see me go to my grocery store, wanna see me shop and me do me thing and me pick up me this and I me come at the cashier and me say how much? And I said, okay, do you take credit or cash?
That's a cricket one cheap phone company.
No, put no go to no grocery store, go push no car, go blood clot shop. She push out the trolley them the dirty woman.
It sound cheap, darling.
A long time she order look free things.
Not even from the US commercial, them me never hear that phone brand yet.
Ask the people them for they look of money. A hard time now, a COVID time now, where people are trying to work. And you beg out the people them money for the on credit. And instead of when they give the look of credit for you to come and talk about sensible, you talk about yep. No one of you no blood clot credit. Go suck your mama. And if I was one of those persons who hate I love Saunders, they want to give you no blood clot credit. Just to show honor.
Our people them not get no credit, lady, you know see. But you want credit because immigration.
Work them out on top of it. Your modern blood clot slavery days. You look a bomber clot slave. You're slave driver, dirty. After Christmas, you couldn't even give away blood clot $5 credit to none of your fans. Them and you so big and mighty and
Ma one heap of spit. One heap of spit in the people and food.
So she had type on her hand in a seasoning and all these things. She's been typing steadily.
Mm-hmm. Make Puss move her dirty blood clot, but send the plane ticket money. A money she want. A plane ticket the woman I go buy. She never said she has
But
send
she
no
want
money.
two-way ticket to go back to England. Like this fucking retard.
Two-way ticket. A one way back to England. A money she a look.
Well, cash up, cash up. Team Puss send me a money so it can mad them. I'll no Keiko said the PayPal no ding. Cannot even Keiko herself I put no money in there. Britney say her money for our kids.
She had her pick them.
Yep, she not send Puss nothing. Yep, Britney said it over here. Puss.
Oh, hey, Black Shiny.
Don't you ever hear that?
Hey, Chinese.
Where's she gone?
No, it freeze. On the internet never chip out.
Poison them, blood clot. About 5 days the woman had done them. And no, me no see none of them come out and go hard for the woman.
She beat them, beat Tani, Chin, Britney, Puss, Keiko. She come after all of them today.
All of them are getting beat. Beating in of them blood clot. Wait before you show it back. Yeah, I'm coming. I'm coming.
You're a bomber clad slave. You're a slave driver, dirty Puss. Because for Christmas, you couldn't even give away a blood clot $5 credit to none of your fans. Them
I think I freeze, it freeze.
Have all kind of money.
It pass.
But Puss, before me go Puss, one thing me want to tell you, dirty Puss. Puss, don't you ever hear Sir?
Yeah, it pass.
Murder.
But I don't know why either Britney like her, either Miss Thompson.
That's why I tell her, I say, I better she
That's why
walk away.
I'm
That's why
like,
when I
you
told you come
work
over here,
for the
so Mr.
school
Britney, I
board.
better you walk away. Or you are
I'm like,
teacher
you
and
work
you
for
over
the
this,
school
so.
board, and you say you work for kids who get bullied, with kids that get bullied. And Puss is the biggest bully. I don't get it.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I see Britney over there in a while, though, a couple days now.
From she pull up, we don't see her. She said she pull up.
Lady live I done again.
Yeah, she me not see her over Puss. Me see her over Puss that night, and then after that she not come back. I hope she take care of herself. Hey, Star, my life done. Yeah, life done, people. I'm gonna refresh my sitting. Yeah, life done.
Is that they form bands of roll clouds. They travel.
Nobody know their life for we watch. The show is over for now. Anybody want to call in? Guess maybe I could take it off this now. She hate your bad stuff. Yeah, she definitely hate you. She ain't nothing with Storm. She always have to fling you in there. She gone. She gone, people, we life done. Yeah, then next thing you know, you make sure you know, make sure take down my page, you know. Coming All right.
Come, Annie. You next.
Yo, good night, people. Janet, bless up yourself. China, bless up yourself. Storms, bless up yourself. Candy Lake Show, bless up yourself. Yo, you know, say at the end of the day, yeah, to be honest with you, we over here, Bashi, bless up yourself. Chris,
Why is
bless
it
up yourself.
frozen? Is Annie moving for you guys?
Of course, me I move. Me know how to freeze myself to make it look like me now. I look freeze now, look. Me no look freeze.
No, it freeze.
Is it
Okay,
freeze?
okay. It better now.
No, because I can't freeze myself to make it look like me freeze it for true.
Whatever, Annie. It ain't really
No,
freeze.
seriously. Seriously, I'm do it one night to destiny. I freeze myself like us.
God, you ain't freeze. You can't trick me.
No, hold on. I'm not telling you something. Do it when I do. I'm to freeze myself while destiny because you want to come off and life, so I'm go so. Because say yeah, destiny say blood clot and the freezer. When I say so, I still not move. See me? No, happy New Year, people. Bless up on a good self with a good life over upon the Candy Lake Show. You don't know how we say Candy Lake up above. Straight. No, but at the end of the day, yeah, we need for be kind of fair too. And we need for call in on the show. Because this year name, stop hide behind the camera. Come out. You understand me? Stop afraid of what the camera go say about you. You must say things about the camera. You understand me? Because when me look bad, me I come on the camera. You know me like my glasses, because me always come over with it. But me think, yeah, at the end of the day, with a show, yeah, you can call in and place an opinion too, whether it good or it bad. Yo, Paulette, beg up, bless up your good self. You understand
Anybody
me?
can come except
Anybody can call in and kind of place them opinion because at the end of the day, like in the box, me see comment and so forth. You understand me? So what I try to say, even if you can and from me I ask her, where you make the dirty monkey woman that do you? What way you make the woman use you? So where after you swing on my Oxford. No more oxen, you know. Okay. No wonder why snap my day all a cry river. I said, okay, my crying river last night. I mean, I'm say, oh, them I do my girls. So, yeah. I remember me not see you run out, but you did run for my blood clot channel. But it's alright, okay. See it there? The dog that your feet turn around to bite you. That's why I don't want no animal in my blood clot house. I don't even want a fish tank in here. The only thing I want here in here is a blood clot plant. So I have a machine for chop it down when I'm ready if it grow too much. And why? As I want science. Eh?
Loves, I mean, Miss Thompson, may I answer? Yeah? She said, Uko time not ready. Uko a small fish right now.
Yeah, she not do it today.
She say.
And all them there also for run Uko. And Uko one only person.
We have to cut Uko. And Tanya go cut Uko, and Uko know why Tanya go cut her. She fuck with the lady.
Yeah, but it's true, Uko did I be loyal to people where weren't being loyal to she. Uko loyalty start up button and police are in there, them don't have none. So I thought you did for no. You understand me? Loyalty start with royalty.
Uko. She say,
yeah, loyalty start with royalty and none of this. So you understand me? Look how much people go over this and get mashed down. I've never over there from in the first place. See where me there? It's the Candy Lake Blood Clot Show. It's a buzz. It is a blood clot buzz. Yeah. I know you big up your good self. Straight up. Welcome to the Candle Lake Show. It's a buzz. It is a blood clot buzz. But what may I try to say here? You see with this whole situation here, you understand me, to be real and to be frank, I don't know I can't be fake, you know, I don't know how to be fake. I see true, me a sodomite, I did have to live my life, I did have to come out with a buzz. So basically, yeah, I don't know how to be fake. You see this whole situation when you all look on it, you know, say this whole hygiene cussing of people started from Puss.
Yep.
You understand me? Good night, my baby. UK shorty, love you like a wow. That's the way them put me under full-time lockdown like a prison weed there. See there? So, at the end of the day, yeah, what we really look upon it, you know, this woman may be a liar, you know, because you have to pick sense out of nonsense, you know, and you have to be real. You cannot be fake. You understand me? This woman may be a liar with certain things, yeah, but certain things that she talks, yeah, if you pick sense out of nonsense, yeah, she's not really telling a lie. She's just being real and truth and honest. You understand me? As some me see it. You get what I say? Because, let me tell you something, yeah. Puss start on Tanya. For what reason? You understand me? Because Puss wanted to be a boss on IG. Puss wanted to feel like she was somebody. Puss wanted to have people behind her. So what she did, yeah, she was building up a syndicate. You understand me? And at the end of the day, if you look on it, if the people them don't agree with Puss, are not having Puss back, you understand me? Quick, she throw them down a blood clot river. And that happened because remember, you know, guys, most of you guys over here, you know, used to be on posting, you know. Well, now watch her and listen to her, you know. You understand me? And did have it as a laugh. You understand me? But then, yeah, for you guys, it was probably just a laugh. You understand me? Where you guys are having a buzz. But then, yeah, she started to let it get to her head, you know, because remember, I say, yo, this woman mentally disturbed from her childhood days, you know. So at the end of the day, yeah, if she feel like she can run a gang, you understand me, and be a headwriter, the only thing that should have ever be a head in her life, you understand me, because she was always behind. You get what?
Yep.
You get what I'm saying? So basically, yeah, it was buzzing her because she feel like, okay, then I have all of these girls, yeah, and them are run behind me and push rubber dub. And you notice as soon as anyone in the rubber dub crew, you understand me, don't agree with Push, she turn against them. Pick sense out of nonsense, guys, because I've been observing it. You understand me? And I've been listening, and I'm not listening with ignorance. You understand me? With saying, yeah, I hate her. I'm listening, and everyone that pass in a comment where she is concerned is people who are used to the over Puss thing, and all Puss deal with them. You understand me? As soon as these people believe that they don't want to be behind her no more with certain nonsense, you understand me? You get me? And when people are going to jump up and I say, yo, by right, no one should cuss anyone kids. No one should cuss anyone mom. You understand me? But the thing is, look where it starts from, brethren. You guys have to look where this thing starts from, Tandy. You understand me? All right. You know when me all look how Puss cuss my mother. You understand me? You get what me I say? Yeah, me and Dan cuss my mom. You understand me? Me and Dan come from same place, cuss, not bring nothing. So basically, yeah, she used that. You understand me? If you come back for me and my sister, you understand me? And even when me and Puss in an argument, I only in argument with Puss because she go for my sister. You get what I'm saying? So Puss go for people, then she tried to get other people to go for them. Look at what she used Uko to come at me. Don't she use Uko to come at me?
Yep.
Come on, people. Let's speak sense out of nonsense. We may hate this woman. You understand what I say? I probably don't want to hear what she's saying or even taking it as a mockery. But some of the things that this woman is talking, she's talking facts. She is talking fucking facts, brethren.
Oh, we know. We know. Trust me, we know.
You get me?
Sense.
And the thing is, yeah, let me tell you something. You see, me never sit down and observe and know say, yeah, me and Dan come from same place. I never observe certain things and talk to my sister. Me and Dan would are still in an argument. But when me sit down and me look into things and me pick sense out of nonsense, because I'm not stupid enough. You understand me? You get what me I say? I realize, yo, but you know, son, I see your note here. Dan have nothing to do with this. This and not Dan, cause we and Dan never get to certain level. And none like say we and Dan have something. I so come me know say here one me not go there so. You understand what me I say? You get what I say? Guys, look on the corruption where this woman causing, bro. Because everybody in her, she cussed Chin already, don't it? She cussed Tanya already, don't it? She cussed Uko already, don't it? She have people still over there that she cussed and them still over there. Come on, like people, pick sense out of blood clot nonsense. The woman fi take her down. She fi go down. She fi go down. She's a misery, dolly. You understand me? She's a misery from this fucking thing, and people need to talk the truth. The woman is a misery, brethren. She is a fucking misery, and she fuck with people for no fucking reason, brethren. You understand me? Because she wanna be the star of IG. You know, hear her, the queen of IG. Yeah, the queen of rubber dub. The queen. Puss is never the queen of fucking nothing yet, brethren. That's why this shit get to her head, brethren. And she want to program the people them that watch her and follow her. She feel like she's the boss of all these people. Why you think she done from rock and come in, rock and come in, rock and blood clot come in? Because that's the only thing she ever get attention from, bruv. Come on. Why you think, all right, now show now, Rex, why you think she ate her sister when named Kerry? She ate her sister when named Kerry because her sister when named Kerry get more attention than she. Brethren, no look pick sense out of nonsense and stop. Don't listen off of ignorance, listen with sense. Why you think she a pick Pantania so? Why you think she pick Pantania so and still not jump off of Tanya? Because she knows, yeah, in her head, yeah, Tanya didn't do her nothing, yeah, and she knows what she's doing. Because let me tell you something. You see, she did a friend with Tanya, see me, yeah, and Tanya, she have to worry Tanya, so Tanya and her brother stay apart, you know, because Tanya and her brother come back together like that. You guys gonna walk away, left that monkey, bruv. Cause sister go put sense in him head. The two of them are go sit down and see him. See it. All you think she get blood clot, you go. It's because of Tanya. Yep. Guys, when you look for what me are saying, please, people, let's, at 21, let's look into these things with sense. You understand me before we pass comment and be ignorant about the situation. You understand what me I say? You get me? Just look for what me I say, to brethren. Me not tell you no lie, because I sit down and I calculate out the whole thing. But yo, the way I calculate it, I go outside because like the computer now work, the calculator now work. Outside I go pick up some stone. Like you know back in the days when you used to use stone and count. Or so I calculate it up. And up to now, I pay one-on-one, I get them, I can't find the two. I don't know it there. You get me? But anyway. So I can't call in and place on no opinion still, even if I don't want to add on the face and them something, but I can't talk how I feel. You understand me? I want to see it because everybody see things differently. You understand me?
No, everything starts from overseas. We are the root of everything.
How can they do? Oh, you sound kind of low a while ago. So, that is my opinion on the thing. You understand what I say? Everybody, all of we are going to have one opinion. So, you can call in and place on one opinion. You understand me? Because remember, it's a show. Big up on a good self. It's a buzz. Happy New Year, people. And good night. All right, now we gone back on the lockdown and me stressed out. Later, people, keep the show rolling. Because it's my company. Love you guys. Bye-bye.